Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get vector in Figma. Open Figma and create a new file, then set a frame sized to your project needs. Use the rectangle or pen tool to draw shapes or import an image to trace. Switch to the vector edit mode to refine points and curves. Keep layers organized and name shapes clearly so you can reuse vectors across multiple frames and components. Start by placing basic shapes like rectangles and circles to build a composition, then combine them for complex icons. Use the pen tool to click and drag for smooth Bezier curves and hold Shift to constrain angles when needed. To edit, enter vector edit mode and move anchor points, adjust handles, or add new points. Practice Boolean operations to union, subtract, intersect, or exclude overlapping shapes for clean vector results. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs surprisingly well with design budgeting and freelance planning. I find its simple advice helps me price projects and save toward better gear. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After creating shapes, zoom in and refine anchor points with vector edit to perfect curves and corners before exporting. Use Boolean operations to merge or cut shapes into single, clean vectors that scale without loss. Name and group layers logically so exports are straightforward. When ready, choose SVG or PDF for crisp scaling, or export PNG at multiple sizes for raster needs, while keeping your original vector file pristine for future edits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.